Serafina. So today I want to share a very beneficial smartwatch to you. It's very practical for your children. So let's begin. This elegant watch is waterproof. The instruction book, charger. This smartwatch has many functions such as LBS location and voice messages and two-way calls and SOS calling and remote monitoring and remote photograph. So I will tell you some details as follows. First, you need to download the app, the C Tracker. You need to register it. First, you need to register it and scan the code. Then the watch is blind. And this is the main page. The children's watch is equal to a smartphone. After inserting a card, can allow two-way calls. Okay, let me show you how to dial my number. Yep, that is. And I will show you how to send a voice message. The voice chatting. Hello. That is my voice. How are you? Okay, I will show you how to use the remote camera to control the camera to see the real-time location of the children. Press this button. It will take a picture. Yeah, that is. It can record the wonderful moments of children, and you can check the correct location of your children.